probably. We're gonna do another one, so, just because Matt said this is what I've got to try. Like, up till now that was just the warm-up. Can you just have your vent open fully, just to, whichever way?
Says the option. Is it ready?
Okay. Oh, it's just because of this.
Hey.
Okay. Just gonna go one more time. Just seeing if it gets hot.
No.
Matt, like he said, it's just something to do with the thermostat. I mean, we could probably just have it on small. Oh, let's go into reverse. Oh, it's warm, isn't it?
Hey.
Yes, yes.
Let's go at it.
Oh, I think I fucked it, haven't I? Might have to reverse it. Oh no, you're right. What have I done? Oh, that was close though. That was close. Okay, it's definitely getting warm, isn't it? Also, that's moved a little bit, like a tiny bit.
Oh.
It's a shame there wasn't a bit more road, but I should be grateful that I've got any road, really.
Just about look at.
Yeah, just to be able to sneakily.
Hey.
Should have indicated. Now, while we're here, we're just going to go around one more while I've got you. Oh, breaking up gas. It's reassuring thing to hear, isn't it?
It's the
Getting some mistings. Oh yeah. Forgive me.
Yeah.
While I've got you, yeah, while you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's certainly warm.
Yeah, I guess it looks nice.
Oh, Sparky boy. Oh, I've done it again, haven't I? Fucking tune this is. South Africa's only known chip tuner. But look, it's moved.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, is that a bad sign?
What do you mean?
Because that means maybe the thermostat could be stuck. And it's